Hi and welcome to Voguenyog. So many of you might be thinking that what is the relation of colon cleansing with yoga? So basically the colon is an organ of human body which is the part of digestive system, mainly large intestine. The work of the colon is to remove nutrients and water from the food which are partially digested by the body. So getting a colon detox done becomes important. Although the colon hygienists perform this process of colon cleansing by sending liters of fluid via a tube into our rectum, and to drum out contaminated material a different tube is used. But without any professional help, the colon detox can also be done naturally at home by drinking enough lukewarm water, juices, herbal teas, and practicing those yoga poses which mainly puts pressure on your large intestine. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. We will start with Vajrasana. So let's give it a go by sitting on our heels, and you're gonna bring your hands one on top of the other, basically fingers interlocked, and place on your stomach. Press as much as you can and bend forward and touch your forehead to the ground. Inhale and come up. For this, lie down on your back. We will do this in Padmasan. For this, first keep your right foot on the left thigh and left foot on the right thigh. Gradually lift your chest up by taking help of your arms. Try to arch your spine and head until your crown touches the ground. Now gradually hold your toes and breathe. Release this posture by taking help of your arms. If you think it's too hard for you, let me show you the variation. Stretch your legs out, lift yourself up by taking support of your elbows, crown of your head down, and relax. Next is Setu Bandhasan. Make sure your entire back is flat on the floor. Keep your thighs and feet parallel. Raise your hips as high as you can. Raise so high that your chest comes under your chin. Inhale and exhale. Release it. Bring your hips down and relax. Next is Pavan Muktasan. Lie flat on your back, breathe in, and as you exhale, bring your both the knees towards your chest and press the thigh on your abdomen with clasped hands. Lift your head and chest off the floor and touch your forehead and chin with both the knees. Hold this posture for at least 15 to 20 seconds. Raise the left leg, bend the knee and bring the thigh closer to the chest with interlocked fingers. The right leg must lie straight on the ground. Practice 3 times with each leg. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel below.